We received a call of an assault with a deadly weapon gunshot victim, and when deputies got there, they found an adult female Hispanic pulling the trigger of the shotgun in the back seat of his own car and striking his mother.
That's a question that we should all ask as parents, because it's not something that we should even have in a house per se, and nevertheless in a car. He could have been in school. It could have happened inside the school. We don't know. It's really scary to have this happening in our neighborhood.